Hello students. We came to know that you have made eco-friendly refrigerator as told by Ashna and Deepti ma'am. Dear students, as you know that science is everywhere as it is universal. So today we are going to tell you science behind it. Kanika ma'am, can you please explain us the science behind the working of this refrigerator?
Yes, Imani, sure. Yes, students. So, this eco-friendly refrigerator is based on the concept of evaporation.
Evaporation? Oh, can you please explain us what is the process of this evaporation?
Yes, students. Evaporation is just very simple process. It is the change of water into water vapor on heating. You have studied in class 3rd about the water cycle. In water cycle also the process of evaporation is. Let's understand the principal working of this refrigerator. So, here we have used an outer porous clay pot which is lined with wet sand. See here, we have the sand and now we are putting the inner pot inside it and we pour water over it to make the sand wet so that the process of evaporation can take place easily. See, we have poured water
and made the sand wet.
Yes. Now, as you know that the cooling is caused by evaporation. Now, when evaporation happens, then it gives the sensation of cooling. So, here evaporation of water in the outside pot decreases the heat from the inner pot. It takes the heat from the inner pot and thereby lowering the temperature. It lowers down the temperature and thus keeping the vegetables fresh for a long time, which are kept inside this inner pot.
Wow, it's really wonderful how you told the whole process so easily. I hope my students, you must have also understood it well.
Students, you can try this at your home by keeping some vegetables inside, and you can also put, if you have thermometer at your home, you can measure the temperature difference also by keeping the by checking the outside temperature as well as the temperature inside the this inner pot in which you have kept the vegetables.
So students, do you know why we have kept this wet cloth over the sand? To keep the temperature inside this pot lower than the outside pot. And you have to water it at least twice a day to keep it wet and humid.
As you all know that humidity, it is the amount of water vapor present in the air. So to keep it humid, we need to put this wet cloth so that. Students, have you ever thought what is the difference between the refrigerator at your home and this eco-friendly refrigerator that you have made?
So now let us understand
the need to switch on to this eco-friendly refrigerator.
Yes students, you must know it.
That the CFC emitted by, what is CFC? Chlorofluorocarbons emitted by this modern refrigerator. It is a threat to the environment as it depletes the ozone layer. And if the ozone layer is depleted, then we can't protect ourselves from the harmful UV radiations of the sun.
Yeah, moreover the refrigerator also causes loss of nutrients, discoloration and a lot of other effects on food. So here we go with the advantages of eco-friendly refrigerator created by you.
So students, this clay pot refrigerator is inexpensive and does not consume any electricity. It is energy saving.
Start. It causes no pollution as the refrigerant used is water.
Moreover, a considerable temperature drop is observed within a short period of time and the efficiencies are very similar.
So students, let me tell you some advantages of clay refrigeration. Clay pot refrigeration is inexpensive and does not consume electricity.
Moreover, it causes no pollution as the refrigerant that we used is water.
It also has a lot of health benefits. Clay has a lot of minerals and cooling effects on body.
Also, clay refrigeration can keep the fruits and vegetables fresh for a long time.
Moreover, it also helps us to deal with the stomach-related ailments and skin diseases.
And last but not the least, the most important feature of clay pot refrigeration is that it is inexpensive, needs no power and causes no pollution at all. So, I hope you must have understood the whole concept and
now we will send you a questionnaire. You have to read it, observe all the things carefully and then perceive yourself and send us the answers as soon as possible. Thank
Thank
you.
you.